Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to link your credit card or debit card with your Cash App and you want to make transaction with your card on your Cash App account, then this video is for you. So first, let's get into the video. So here you can see you have to first log into your account on your Cash App application. Now once you are on your account, you can click on the bank account here, or you can click on your profile icon. So when you can click on it, you can find your account section where you can find linked banks. You can click on it where you will be able to add your debit card or the credit card. So you can simply click on the link debit card button here, and you can find this type of interface where you will be able to add the debit card number, your the expiry date, and the CVV, the 3 digits security code, and the zip code of your location. Once you have added according to the card the correct information, then you can simply click on this link card account, and it will easily link your account on link your card on your account, and you can use your card in any transaction you want, as like transferring or deposit, anything you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.